One of the aspects of Crombie that we actually enjoyed was that we inherited somewhat of that relationship. We didn't quite know why or who Crombie was. We just knew that they came on really highly recommended from one of our partners. When we started working with Crombie, one of the benefits that we received was not only direct communication and support, but creative thinking. So when it came to understanding our business and developing it, they had a great approach to quickly understanding what we were trying to do, giving some insight into what they've seen before in other instances, and giving us some creative solutions that we hadn't even thought of when it came to why we were doing what we're doing, as well as how we could do it via the code. I would say the impact has been immense. We wouldn't be able to be where we are without Crombie. Simply put, we need not only that creative activity and instinct that we talked about, but more importantly, the commitment to time and resource management. So it's one thing to build out your own internal development core or team, but it's another to have one that's dynamic, that can get people up to speed very quickly, and then also documentation when it comes to making sure that we have continuity and infrastructure that we can create institutional knowledge, not just person to person. I would say not only like I said, the creative thinking as the most valuable, but I would say also the ability to have a more dynamic conversation and know that when we share feedback or you share feedback, that we're having more of a partnership as opposed to a vendor-client relationship. We are big on creating not only a culture here at Skylight, but that whether it's a vendor or whether it's an employee or whether it's a client and a customer, we want to see everyone as a team and as a holistic group. And so Crombie fit in really well with what we were trying to achieve and kind of the culture here we're trying to cultivate at Skylight.